Children, welcome to our 9th English class. Children, today I am with another new lesson, that is the Noble Bishop. I hope you may read the lesson earlier as a curiosity, but this is a part of explanation where I am going to take up Noble Bishop. So the name itself says noble, to whom we will identify or recognize as the noble. Noble in the sense a person, one who has good quality, he will be considered as a noble. Noble doesn't mean that it is a particular degree or anything kind of any victory where person has been assumed. No, it is not that. Noble means a person with the good work, good quality, he will be identified as a noble. Suppose you are recognized with the good qualities like helping nature, sympathy, kind, or your mercy nature. But while observing all such qualities, you will be considered as that boy has a noble qualities. Noble quality in the sense a qualities like a god, godly qualities. These are considered as a noble qualities. So here the lesson noble bishop in the sense bishop means right, it is one designation which are assumed in a Catholic Church. So that bishop was considered as a noble because of the qualities that he adopted. So he was called as a noble bishop. So in this lesson we are get to see two different kind of a character. One is a convict, another one is bishop. The qualities, whether they match with each other and why the bishop was considered as a noble. That children we are going to learn in this part. So shall we move on with the lesson children? Page number 105. Lesson Noble Bishop. I'll read on the lesson, just concentrate it. The table is laid for a dinner. Silver plates are set on the table. The bishop is seated. His sister Baxter is ready to serve a convict entered. So that is a scene where time of a dinner on the table was set. Upon the table silver plate were kept to serve the food for a bishop. Sister means a subordinate of a bishop, one who worked under the bishop. They were called as a sister. You know who are the sister in Christianity, right children? They are the sisters. So she was ready to serve the bishop. In that time a convict in the sense victim or one who was received the punishment or one who was imprisoned, he will enter the hall or he entered the home of the bishop. So the dialogue, convict. See here, my name is Jane Valje. I am a convict. I have been 19 years in the galleys. 4 days ago, I was set free. I have walked for a mile. I haven't eaten anything for 3 days. So here, the convict, he do the conversation. He will say to the bishop that, see, I am a victim or I am a prisoner who was relieved or released from the jail, and I spent my 19 years in jail. After that, 4 days back, I released from the jail. He says that I am a victim. Now I am 4 days back, I am relieved from the jail. From last 3 days, I have not took any food. I am starving. I am hungry because nobody served me single bite of a food, and I walked a mile. I haven't eaten anything for 3 days. I have asked at every inn. All I was told was, get out. I want food. I am starving. Give me a food quickly. So he says to bishop that, see, I am wandering from here and there from last 3 days, but I have not got a single bite of a food, and I am so much of hungry. I want food to eat. Please, you give me a food. Bishop calmly. Sister, put another plate on the table and put some sheets on the bed in the above. So, seeing the condition of the that person. So mercifully he says that, so mercifully he says, sister, you put another plate for that victim and let him serve. After that, on the another room, you spread bedspread, you spread it so that he sleep, he take a rest. So see, bishop calmly, sister, put another plate on the table and put some sheet on the bed in the above. So on the top floor, you arrange the room so that he can sleep. Trembling and shuffling and screaming, Babstein goes to carry out the order. So whatever order the bishop gives, the sister will follow. She will go to the kitchen and she will bring the plate and keep in front of the victim, convict. Bishop, friend, sit down and warm yourself. So he says, you sit, you relax yourself. You may be tired. He says, you may be tired. Why? We have suffered. Your bed will be made ready. So you sit, you relax here, and we will serve you food. You eat the food. In meanwhile, we will arrange the room so that you can sleep. Convict, do you understand? Do you understand? I am a convict. So he says that, are you conscious? Are you clear? Have you heard? I am a victim. I am imprisoned. Do you know this matter? Why he will ask that? See, it was common that if any person who was released from the jail, we will see that person on doubt. We suspect that person. Why? Right, children? It is a common nature of a human being that one who is released from the jail, we suspect that person. Either we know the situation or may not know the situation. That is a secondary. But first comes in our mind that we start to suspect why he went to jail, what may he done, whether he theft or a criminal or he murdered. Such kind of a thoughts will come to our mind, and we guess that he may do the robbery at home. Again, he may attempt for a murder. Such kind of a thoughts will come. On suspecting, on doing the such imagination only, we will maintain the distance from such person. Right, children? That is what we observe every now and then. But here a convict says that, see, you know, I am a convict. I am imprisoned 19 years back. And now you are serving me food on a silver plate and also offering me to sleep here and telling me to take a rest. Are you sure? Are you conscious? He will ask. Convict, do you understand? I am a convict. You call me friend and you are addressing me as a friend as if you know me from several years. Are you conscious? You call me a friend and don't say get out dog. See, no, you called me friend. You told that you will serve me food and please now don't tell me get out, because everywhere he went to ask for food, there everybody said him to get out, go away, don't come here, don't stand in. So all kind of a rash, rude word hurted me a lot. But now you are addressing me as a friend. Are you conscious? If you are conscious, then please don't tell me get out. As everybody else does. You must be a great soul. Thank you. Suppose if you know that I am a victim, but still you are giving me respect and you are showing me a kindness, then you are very great person. Bishop, you are suffering. Then Bishop will say, you leave all these things. I can only see pain in you. You are suffering. You are hungry and thirsty. He says that I can see your pain, I can see your problem, that you are hungry and you are thirsty. You must not thank me. So don't say thank to me. Sister, the lamp gives a very poor light. Bring the silver candlestick and light them. So he says that the candle which kept on the table, that is very poor, means the light which is not enough to have a food. So do one thing, bring a silver candlestick, means a candle is kept on a silver stick. Above that, if you kept the lamp, it will somewhat top, and upon the candle the brightness will be very high. Is it clear, children? The silver stick is an indication of the wealthy. So he says that you bring the silver candlestick and light them. Babstein goes to the mantle in the sense middle room, bring the silver candlesticks and lights them. She serves them supper, soup, cheese, mutton and large loaf of bread. The convict devours. So the varieties of food will be served in front of the victim, convict. He was so happy to see that. Before eating only, he was so happy. Bishop, you must have suffered lot. Convict, my God, yes. That's long time ago. That was when I was man. Now I am not a man. So Bishop will ask, while seeing you, it seems that you suffered so much. Then the person says, convict says, yes, I suffered lot, long back. And that time I was a man. Now I am not a man. I am a number. The number is 24601. He says that now I am not a man or I am not addressed with my name. Now I will be given number in jail. On that basis of a number, I will be recognized. And I have lived in a hell for 19 years. So he says that though I lived in a cell, that cell was equal to a hell. Means the treatment in a jail was like a hell. Bishop, tell me about it. About the hell you lived in. So Bishop was curious. He says that I want to listen whatever happened or whatever you suffered in that jail. Please let me know. Convict. It is so long ago. So he narrates the situation. It is so long ago. I forget. Means 19 years I suffered. Are you remember whatever happened in the 19 year? Are you accurately tell 1 day, 2 day, Monday what happened, Tuesday what happened, or April 1st what happened, November 13 what happened? Are you able to narrate? No. He says that it is 19-year backstory. I don't remember that much exactly, but I can only say it was like a hell. I lived with my sister. So he says that, see, it is long ago, I forgot. I lived with my sister and her 7 children. So he says that before going to jail, I was living with my sister and along with her 7 children. Then suddenly and very rapidly, yes, I remember, she was ill. We had no food. I could not get no work. So he narrated the situation of the poverty, that I lived in a poverty where I have to look after my sister. Along with my sister, I have to look after her 7 children. More than that, I don't have any earning. Nobody was giving me a job. If you have a job, instead of 3 meals, you can serve them 2 meals. Isn't it, children? But here he narrates the situation where I don't have any job to work to provide them 1 day meal. That was my situation. The children were starving. So I stole some bread. So he says that I cannot see the children suffering hungry. So what I did, I stole only a piece of bread. He says that I stole only a bread, not a gold, not a money. I just stole the bread to feed them. I was sentenced to 19 years in galleys. So he says that, see, for stealing a bread, I was put into a jail for 19 years, not 1 or 2 years, it is a 19 year. 19 years in hell. Then began my stay in hell. Thereafter my journey started in hell. They chained me up like a wild animal. He says that they just not put me in a jail. They put me a chain. They locked his hand with chain like a dog. See, then began my stay in hell. They chained me up like a wild animal. They lashed me like a horn. Means horn is one kind of a dog which is used for hunting. So he was telling that he was treated like a hunting dog. Every time they caught him, they captured him with the huge thick chain. I fed on flit. Flit in the sense they treated me like a dirt. Flit in the sense dirt. Okay. dirty things. They used to treat me as I am some dirty things. They treated me like a dirty things for 19 years. They took away my name. They removed my name and they started to call me from numbers. They took away my soul. What is the soul work? The soul used to respond for good and bad. Here, every time I used to treat it badly, so my soul stopped to recognizing that which is good and which is bad. And they gave me a devil. And they gave me a devil in its place. So instead of human being, they made me devil. They started to treat me like a devil or a ghost. I was a man once, I am beast now. So he says that before coming into a jail, I was a man. Now I am become an animal. And they made me what I am. Now I am free to starve. After he says that they put me in a jail, they started to treat me like a animal and I become a man to animal. I am suffering and I am starving every each and moment. So after listening all the story, Bishop, my son, you have suffered so much, but there is hope for all. You can have rest now. So after listening everything you say, you relax now. Whatever happened, happened. Now you rest and relax. Convict, hope, and he will laugh. Bishop, you have walked far. You are tired. Lay down and sleep on the couch there. Good night, young man. So he says that after listening all story, he says that you go and sleep on the upstairs and rest. The remaining part which is in a bracket, children, that is a action which will goes in the meanwhile when he slept. Jane was exhausted that he fell asleep immediately. So as soon as he go to sleep, he sleep immediately. But towards the midnight, he woke up. So he slept immediately when he goes to sleep. Meanwhile, after certain time, he will woke up. Why he will woke up? Because till now he slept on a store on the jail. In the jail, he used to sleep on the store, empty floor. He used to sleep. Now the situation is changed. He was given a bed and bedspread, pillow, everything. Comfort was given. On that comfort, he was not getting sleep. So he will get asleep again. He will wake up. See, what awoke him was bed. It was long ago since he had slept on a bed. He started reflecting about those 19 years. So when he slept on a bed, he was remembering whatever happened till now. He had been sentenced for stealing a bread. So he will remember why I was put into jail, how I spent 19 years in jail. That was keep on remembering. He tried to escape many times. Each time he was caught, the court increased his sentence. So every time he cannot tolerate the ill treatment in the jail. So he tried to escape from the jail. Every time he tried to escape, every time he was caught in jail. And 19 years had gone by. He entered the galleys sobbing and shuddering. So every time he was treated like a violent figure, in the sense a person, one who was made to disturb the other. He was treated like that. He came out hardened. Once he was free, he asked for work, but no one was willing to take him. The citadel clock struck 2. Jane Valjean, though about the silverware that was laid on the table for dinner, he rose to his feet, hesitated for a moment, listened and walked cautiously to the adjacent room. So he used to remember all the incident, and wherever he goes for a job, the people used to ignore. They used to kick him out. So he think that I used to do something good for my future, so that I steal whatever silver item there in Bishop house. I will take that and I will lead the comfort life. The rays of moonlight shone on the Bishop's face. He slept tranquilly. Jane Valjean stood terrified at the radiant figure. So he will go to steal those silver items which is in front of the dining room. But when he see the face of a bishop, he will wait for a moment. What make him to wait? That we will see in the next class. Children, you read the lesson till now, and I will continue with the next part in the next class, children. Till then, take care.